Forgot your Twitter X username or password? Let's see how you can recover them on your iPhone or Android. First, you have to open up your Google app on your iPhone or Android. Select your profile icon at the top right and go to Google account and swipe right to find the security tab. Scroll down to password manager. Now from here, go for X Twitter option and enter your lock screen passcode if needed. Now on your iPhone, you need to enter your Google password for verification and you will be able to find your X Twitter username and password here. Now for iPhone users, you can also go to your app library, search for the password app and tap all. Now from here, you can easily recover your X Twitter username and password. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.